Okay, as I had said before also, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने ये बोला था that in this digital world, when we all are growing and we all are encouraging our kids also, and it is nowadays it's kind of compulsory also that we cannot avoid this digital medium. So this is the best way to develop all the five senses of your kid. एंड बहुत छोटे से अगर हम उन्हें आदत डालेंगे, वी शुड नेवर फोर्स आवर किड्स, कभी हमें उन्हें फोर्स नहीं करना है, लेकिन हाँ अगर हम उनके हाथ में कोई अट्रैक्टिव बुक देंगे तो अपने आप वो पलट के पेजेस देखने लगेंगे. सो वी शुड मेक दिस रीडिंग हैबिट लाइक प्ले. जैसे हम कुछ कुछ करना होता है, अगर हम फोर्सफुली कराएंगे तो बच्चा कभी भी नहीं करेगा. तो यू जस्ट टेक द बुक एंड सिट एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग इट. एंड व्हेन स्पेशली दीज काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स, ये वाली बुक जब देखेंगे, या स्पेशली अगर आप देख सकते हैं इसमें, अगर देखेगा बच्चा ये कलरफुल पिक्चर्स, सो दे गेट अट्रैक्टेड एंड इट गिव्स देम कॉन्फिडेंस टू रीड, एंड ऑल्सो इट बिकम्स क्वाइट ईजी फॉर देम टू रीड, बिकॉज इसमें इस तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है फोनिक्स के हिसाब से दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी ईजी फॉर देम. उनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है बहुत अच्छी, बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है, एंड जितनी जल्दी वो पढ़ना सीखे, रीड करना सीखे, it is very very good for them.
Ma'am, what do you have to say about the author about the book? About the author and
About the author, I know Nidhi since 10, 12 years now, and thanks to her, because me and Lata ji were here for her
Yes.
before also, when she has launched the volume 1, 2 and 3, and we were super impressed then as well. And thanks to her, because her books are not many know that I have a small library for the underprivileged, and I have added these books over there. And सबसे पहले अगर बच्चा कोई भी जाता है तो ये इतनी attractive books हैं कि सबसे पहले वो ही जाके उठाते हैं. I have noticed it over the period of time that whenever the children come, वो सबसे पहले ये आपकी जो books मैंने level की wise रखी हुई हैं, तो सबसे पहले वहीं जाते हैं देखने के लिए. So yeah, the books are like pretty nice and so colorful. All the children love it. Thank you so much, Nidhi. And as Lata ji said, it is very important for children to learn from the very beginning, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा competition है आज के ज़माने में. हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा आगे रहें हर चीज़ में, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमें ये we should cut some slack, and हमें उन्हें decide करने देना चाहिए कि what the children want in today's life, because there's so much competition. But as well, we as parents, we have to prepare them for the tough world, and that's what I think these books are for. early learning books.
Yes, thank you so much.
Sir, your view on the author about the book as such.
बुक्स देखो, वैसे पढ़ाई ना बहुत बोरिंग होती है. यू हैव टू मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग. और अगर बच्चे को ऐसी कोई किताब दे दे और बोलो स्टार्ट रीडिंग, ही विल जस्ट आइदर ही विल एक्ट दैट ही इज रीडिंग, और आफ्टर 5-10 minutes he will just keep the book aside and go back to his TV. So books have to be made attractive, and I just had a look at these books, 2-3 pages I just turned. I had not seen them before. Actually, nobody had seen them. So
We have.
so these
I remember page wise.
yeah. So these things, as she said just now, कि बच्चे आते हैं तो पहले इन्हीं किताबों की तरफ जाते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. और अभी जैसे डिजिटल मीडिया चल रहा है, पीपल फटाफट गूगल कर लिया, ये देख लिया, वो देख लिया. बट इन टुडेज डेट ऑल्सो, लाइक वी मिस आवर ओल्ड फोटोग्राफ्स जो हम एल्बम्स में लगाते थे. वी सी डिजिटल मीडिया ऑल्सो, बट हम कभी कभी ये भी बोलते हैं कि यार वो पुरानी फोटो जो एल्बम में देखने का मजा है ना, फोन पे देखने का वो मजा नहीं आता व्हेन यू सिट विद योर फैमिली एंड सी. तो ये बुक्स का भी वही वैल्यू है, एंड they are very important, or they should be preserved. And as Lata also said, developing a reading habit in children is very important. And बचपन से अगर वो डेवलप हो गई तो आगे जाके वो बुक से बोर भी नहीं होंगे, because they will feel that books are actually interesting. So Didi has done a very good job. Congratulations.
Ma'am, one common reaction from all three of you. I mean, in today's time, social media is so strong, and children are much hooked to social media and neglecting their studies and education. So, what do you have to say about it? I mean, starting from you, ma'am.
No, I do not completely agree with this thing, because क्या है, जो हैबिट्स आप बचपन से इंस्टिल कर रहे हो उनके अंदर, बच्चा वो कहीं ना कहीं फॉलो करेगा ही. सो यू डेफिनेटली हैव टू कीप अ चेक ऑन योर चाइल्ड कि थोड़ा सा हमें जो है एक बैलेंस बना के चलना है कि ठीक है, अगर ये आपके पढ़ने का टाइम है तो ये आपके टीवी देखने का टाइम है, या फिर आपको ये इतने टाइम आपको फ़ोन मिलेगा. सो इफ़ यू आर इंस्टिलिंग दीज हैबिट्स फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड, एंड the best way to tell them is ki okay, if you want to watch TV for the whole day, then go and Google and see is it right. खुद Google में पढ़ लो. So again the child has to know how to read. तो बच्चा पढ़ेगा तो उसको दिख जाएंगे these are the side effects of watching television throughout the day. So definitely child will give up. उसको खुद से समझ आने लगेगी ये चीज़ कि अरे नहीं, ये तो मेरे लिए चीज़ ठीक नहीं है. So I feel कि इनको बचपन से कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हमें इंस्टिल करनी ही चाहिए being parents, and we have to become role models definitely, because हमें वो चीज़ें खुद करनी होंगी पहले. If we are doing the same and asking our kids not to do, then it is not possible. So we have to create a balance in our life as well as our child's life.
Ma'am, what's your take on this?
So, we do live in a digital age, and running away from it is not the solution. We have to accept it, embrace it, grow with it. And as a mum who's got very small babies, I definitely allow them screen time, but how to limit that screen time and boundaries is what we as a parent have to set from day one. But running away from screen time is not something I am really for, because I believe what you resist persists, and the more you pull the child away from that, the more the child's gonna one day come out and want to do that much more. So I think boundaries, clear boundaries with your child from day one is what's important, and understanding that the digital age is very much a part of all our lives today is something parents first need to accept, and stop comparing their childhood to the child's childhood, because times have changed, everyone's evolved. The kids of today are not the same kids that we were when we were babies. And having said that, I think reading books is of utmost importance. My kids started reading when they were 2 months old, is when we started getting them to touch and feel and do all of that stuff. Well, the smartest man in the world, Einstein, said that logic can take you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere. And I think a world without books is a lack of imagination. And so I hope my kids love to read, and I'm sure that these books are going to imbibe that in them even more. And congratulations, Nidhi.
Your view on this, I mean, about social media influence and about neglecting education and.
See, I think I totally agree with her, because you cannot take away mobiles and laptops and computers from the children in today's era. अब तो बच्चों को स्कूल में भी लैपटॉप्स दिए जाते हैं. You have to send laptops to school. उनके इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं which they have to do on the on their gadgets. And smartphones have become so easy to access. You cannot just take it away from them. But yes, you have to keep a check on what your child is doing. There comes a responsible parent. You cannot run away from your responsibility when your child is growing, is what I feel, and one has to keep a check. Otherwise, it's very difficult to take away social media from the children now. It's not possible at all.
Can I just add to that? I think in addition to what Simone mentioned, I think I'd like to add that besides keeping boundaries, making boundaries, clear boundaries, you've got to communicate that clearly as well as be consistent about it.
Absolutely.
Right.
Consistency is what kids watch out for. They will do what you do, not what you say. And modeling behavior starts with us and the parents. And if we can be readers ourselves, they pick up that habit. And they will be curious about it. And it's not so much telling them about curiosity and creativity as much as sitting with them and going through it with them.
And ma'am, what's next? I mean, about after this? I mean, are you launching a children's book in the future only or something different?
Yes, I would be. This is my series which I've completed, and I'm also side by side launching my flashcards and my other kits, which will be online gradually in coming months. And also gradually I'll start writing more of storybooks now, because I've finished with the basics and now more advanced level will come.
Thanks, also.
Thank you. So we'll be waiting for especially storybooks.
Oh yes.
I still love to read those.
Thank you. Thank you, Crossword, and thank you, Nidhi.
Thank you everyone.
Author that she is very diligent, and she loves her work. So definitely whatever work she is creating has to be the best, because she is really into it. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि निधि शायद दिन में रात में अपनी बुक्स के बारे में, फोनिक्स के बारे में, यही चीज़ों के बारे में सोचती रहती है. Am I right, Nidhi? Okay, and there's a saying that children are made readers on the lap of their mothers. मतलब बच्चा जब इतना छोटा होता है, जब वो माँ की गोद में होता है, तब से अगर आप उसे किताब पढ़ के सुनाएंगे या बुक्स दिखाएंगे, क्योंकि वो खुद उस टाइम पे नहीं पढ़ सकता है, तो डेफिनेटली वो प्यार जो है वो बुक्स के लिए होता है, वो डेवलप कर लेगा. एंड it is very important from my own experience, because I, being the only child, I have grown up with books. And the same thing I tell my son also, that books are your best friend. You will never feel lonely, you will never feel like you don't have friends, or what to do when you are in your free time. So books are really important, and the best part is the images and the colorful illustrations, yes, what we get in the books, because children, when they cannot read, they really get attracted towards those, and they would like to touch them, feel them. Even these factors are very important, because it is not just about reading, it is about touching a book, it is about feeling a book, it is about recognizing, relating to it, seeing the colors. So I feel that Nidhi is doing a great job, and these books are just perfect.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for putting it out so well.
With a full concentration and dedication. Like sometimes we feel कि भैया ये इतना कर सकते तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? But she is definitely different. And coming to books, I am not a very avid reader of books, unlike Lata. She reads a lot, and since the child was small, she has cultivated a daily habit on him of reading a story every night. Every night, without reading a story or anything, without reading anything, they don't sleep. So that's a very good thing, and I'm sure such books will really help the kids to grow, and books are always good. I have read a lot in my life. I did my CA, so I've studied quite a lot of books. So I'm really tired of reading now. But I always support them whenever they read, and it's a very good habit, and I think all children should cultivate this habit. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Cindy.
We are showing many videos to our children through YouTube and educating them through digital medium, that physical touch of a book is very important for the development of all the senses of a child.
Thank you so much.